Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Kapwing for beginners. If you're new to editing, Kapwing is one of the easiest tools to start with. It works online, no download kit, and lets you create videos, reel memes, and thumbnails in minutes. So first open any of the browser you prefer, and in the top there's an address bar. Type down kapwing.com, then enter it, and make sure to log into your account if you already have done so. Over here you can also upload your media. Under this you can click onto this attach media if you want to describe a project, or you can simply go to this new project here, and under this you can upload media in the left hand side, or you can upload from your phone as well. As I'm going to click onto this click to upload here, and over here a media has just been put it up. Simply double press onto this and put it over here, and that is it. Your content will be under this screen. You can also resize your photo as well. You can also zoom in the right hand side. Here you can also replace it if you want to. You can crop the photo. You can also position it where you want to as well. And over here on the left hand side, if you want to add any of the text, you can click onto this text and simply click this tiles on the bottom here and type down the text that you want to put it up as well. You can add your filters, stickers, shapes, background. After you're done with the editing, what you can do is you can click onto the export in the top right, and that is it. And you can select the type of the video, format, auto, and click onto this export as well. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.